Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down, unplug, and press the case power button to discharge residual charge. Wear an ESD strap to protect sensitive components. Once the side panel is off, identify the correct M2 slot. Some motherboards have two, one wired to CPU and one to chipset. Choose the slot that supports NVMe for full speed. Make sure the motherboard standoff and screw are visible. You will use them to secure the drive when you insert it at an angle. With the slot open, align the M2 key notch and insert the NVMe drive at about a 30-degree angle. You should feel it click into the socket. Once seated, press the opposite end down toward the standoff and fasten the screw, tighten until snug, not crushed, because over-tightening can warp the PCB. After that, replace the side panel, reconnect power, and boot into BIOS. Confirm the drive appears as NVMe or by its model number before moving to OS setup. Once the system detects the NVMe, initialize and format it in your OS. Choose GPT for UEFI systems. Create partitions and assign a drive letter so you can use it. If the drive is missing, power down, reseat the module, and confirm BIOS settings. Set M2 to PCIe/NVMe mode, ensure CPU lanes are not reassigned, and disable conflicting SATA ports if required. As a final tip, update motherboard BIOS and the NVMe firmware to resolve compatibility or performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.